So, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Raphael Varane. He is leaving Manchester United in literally a couple of games from now. Man United have just saved themselves about 340 grand a week off their wage bill because he is leaving, guys. He is gone. He is going out the club. I was actually baffled. He's only 31 years old. I thought he was a bit older than that, but he is only 31. Arsenal should be looking at him right now. Real talk. I know this ain't the Arsenal channel, but I want this guy at Arsenal immediately. Get him straight to Arsenal. Experience level 100. I don't want to hear no rubbish about, but he's always injured. And what? Pay him 120, 140, 150 grand a week. Perfect cover for the two that we have. And it'll bring that level of experience as well. But anyway, listen, before we get into all of that, I just want to divert your attention to North London United. Obviously, that game tonight. North London United. You're a fake fan if you don't support the rival, says nobody other than Arsenal fans in world football. You're supposed to support the rivals if it means you can win a title. Okay, mate, ask Galatasaray fans if they're sport Fenerbahce, if that meant they could win a title. You'd literally get knifed up, I'd imagine. I'd imagine that'd be the same on the streets of Glasgow if they supported each other for a day. Maybe the same in Rome as well, if Lazio and Roma did it. Definitely River Plate Boca Juniors. Boy, mate, this is wild. Wild. Maybe Ajax, Feyenoord as well. You'd probably end up getting in a punch-up. It'd all kick off. And obviously, Steaua Bucharest versus Dinamo Bucharest. Yeah, we all know what that's going down. These Romanian G's, they ain't ramping, bruv. So, yeah. But only in North London would this happen. Apparently, fireworks were being set off outside the Marriott in London, only to find and establish a few hours later that when them fireworks were going off at 2, 3 in the morning, they then found out that Man City stayed in Manchester, not in the Marriott in London. Well done. Couldn't organise a piss up in a pub, but we know that anyway. Spurs fans are giving their tickets to Arsenal fans. There's going to be Arsenal fans in the ground. The ticket exchange is full of tickets. Ange Postecoglou is coming out saying that he wants to win the game. Well, if he wants to get sacked, he'll want to win the game because no Spurs fan wants to win the game. It's weird, isn't it? No Spurs fan wants to win the game. And every Arsenal fan, pretty much, not all, because there are some sane ones out there that actually understand that it's Tottenham, despite whether you think they're a rival or not. It's Tottenham. What we're doing here. And then you've got the thick mutants out there that want to come out and start giving it. So you're basically saying that you don't want to win the league. No. Are you thick? Well, actually, we already know they are. Basically, because they can't grasp the concept of not supporting Tottenham, but still wanting to win the league. And even if they are playing Man City and we're not going to support them, that now means I'm fake. Sorry. I don't care. Any other team could play against Man City and I'll be going, yo, cool. Tottenham, nah. Even Man United, to be fair, because Man United are actually a rival. But Tottenham, Man United, nah. We don't want them to win anything. We don't want them to win a throw-in. But unfortunately, if you say that, you're now a fan that wants Man City to win the league, according to this lot. We've got Mutant Fan TV out here telling the world that they're doing a watch-along. They're going to be wearing white. They've tweeted out, they've posted out on Facebook, picture of Richarlison saying match day. Not quite sure why they put him on the graphic because he's out injured. But that kind of sums up that channel, thick as pig shit. But there we go. But anyway, the point is, we don't want Spurs to win a throw-in, a corner, or a football match. And if that means that we don't win the league, oh well, we've only got ourselves to blame. I remember the Europa League final. Fans were being interviewed. If you was to win tonight and it meant Spurs win the Champions League, would you rather lose if that meant they lose the Champions League? Everyone said yes. How much could we pay you to put a Spurs shirt on was another thing I've seen before. Couldn't pay no money for me to put a Spurs shirt on. Everyone was saying the same thing. But now they're all twerking their bums like they're at Carnival for Tottenham. But it's only one game. It's only one game. We've merged the badges. North London together. Whatever the weather. Yay. North London United. What do we think of Tottenham? That's now redundant, isn't it? That's now redundant. But this is where people do get it twisted, because I don't want them to win anything. I don't want them to win any game of football they ever played. And if that means we end up losing the league, oh, fucking tough shit, innit? Yeah. But people can't get their head around this. Go and ask a Celtic fan if they would support Rangers, if it meant that they could win the league. No. Go and ask a Hibs and a Hearts fan. No. Roma fucking Lazio. No. They'd rather lose the league. But unfortunately, this fan base, yeah, are so desperate to win a league that they're going to sell out everything about the rivalry and everything that about the taking the piss out of Tottenham. They're going to sell all of that out because they want to see us win a league. I want to see us win a league. If it means that lot win, I don't want to see them win a game. Sorry, if you think I'm fake, I genuinely couldn't care less anyway. I'll be here again tonight doing a watch-along for the game. Oh, and this isn't an Arsenal channel, so I'll be doing the watch-alongs on this channel. We're not doing them on the... All of these people that claim they're the best and biggest and super fans and all that. The super fan debates. What the fuck is a super fan? Super fans, you mean sellout fan? Okay, sellout fan TV, cool. Say less. Anyway, Raphael Varane, let's go, guys. Smash these likes up. And people can cry all you like, yeah? I ain't changing my opinion, yeah? And when Man City absolutely fucking lever that lot tonight, which they will, by the way, you've all let the mask slip. We now know who you all are. We now know every single one that has come out and declared their undying love for Tottenham tonight. We now know who you are. So well done. Silver linings and all that. And you've got the audacity to tell me I'm a fake Arsenal fan. Cool. Cool. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You've revealed yourselves. But here's what it is. Anyway, let's talk about Raphael Varane. Manchester United defender Raphael Varane will leave the club when his contract runs out at the end of the season. 31-year-old joined from Madrid in July 21 for an initial fee of 34 mil, made 93 appearances. Everybody at United would like to thank Rafa for his service and wish him well for the future, said a United statement. Then Rafa has said himself, despite the fact that we've had a difficult season, I'm very positive for the future. The new owners are coming in with a clear plan and a great strategy. I will see you at Old Trafford to say goodbye in the last home game this season, and it's going to be very emotional for me, for sure. Now, listen, like I've said, yeah, this guy's on about 340 grand a week, 320 grand a week. Him and Casemiro are probably the two highest earners there, I think, yeah, from what I remember from when I did a show with Rance, which reminds me, go and check that show out. We've just finished. Yeah, 300 odd grand off the wage bill. They're letting him walk out for free. The total package has cost him about 8,500 million, something like that, all in. It's cost him a lot of money. Has he lived up to the hype? Probably not. However, Man United ain't lived up to the hype. So you can't just stick it all on him. Pause, no Drizzy. But you know what I'm saying? But yeah, for me, every single top team should be looking at him. He's got the experience. He's got the know-how. He's still only 31, which, let's be real, is still fairly young for a defender. Yeah, he's had some great games for Man United. He's had some awful games for Man United. But it don't help when you're playing with a bunch of bums around you. So, listen, that could be a great bit of free business for somebody in the summer. And if Arsenal had any brains, which they don't, they should be going and signing him up. Yeah, go and sign him up. Who better to be a backup for Saliba and Gabriel? Somebody you know you can rely on. Somebody you know has been there, done it, won it, seen it all, played with some of the greats of the game, played in some of the greatest teams ever to have been seen. The great Madrid sides that have won 3 in a row, Champions Leagues. For me, this is a no-brainer. Why not just go and get him? Free signing, slap him 150 grand a week, job done. He stays in England. We've got our first signing of the summer. All of a sudden, now we've got a World Cup winning centre-back who's won the Champions League multiple times. And now the centre-backs we do have are going, wow, this is Raphael Varane. Yeah? What are we doing here? This should be done already. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they are doing it. Yeah, we know they won't, but we live in hope. We live in hope. But I'd love to know what Man United fans think of this and what your thoughts are on him overall. Like, give him a rating out of 10. If I was to rate him out of 10, for his Man United career. I'd say it's been just above average, if I'm honest. I'd say a 6. He ain't been amazing. But at the same time, Man United are awful. So can we just label it all on him? Probably not. But yeah, I'd rate him probably a 6, 6.5 maybe. But let me know as well if you're obviously not a Man United fan. Let me know, would you take him at your club? Yeah, any top Spurs in here? Well, they might as well merge that club, by the way. Merge them 2 London clubs. I did actually say on a stream the other day on here, there's too many London clubs. They might as well get rid of a few. Well, now these 2 are having a love fest. Maybe we can merge the clubs together. Maybe we can do that. But anyway, if you are a top Spur, would you take him at top Spur? If you are a Chelsea, would you have him at Chelsea? Do you think he'd go to Chelsea? Liverpool, highly unlikely to join them. With obviously playing for Man United, because that's a rivalry, believe it or not. Something that is lacking in English football at the moment, rivalries. But there we go, it is what it is. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on all that. Let me know your thoughts on if you're a Celtic or Rangers fan, or a Gala or Fenerbahce or Lazio Roma, River Plate Boca, Ajax Feyenoord. Yeah, let me know in the comments section. Would you be supporting your rival for the day if it meant you won the league, or would you rather go bollocks to the league? Yeah, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, in some of these countries, Olympiacos, Panathinaikos, if you're declaring your love for that club for one evening, what are they not going to do if they score, by the way? If Tottenham score, they're still all jumping up on their watch-along. Like, they're going to be jumping up on the watch-along. Is this what we're doing now? Yay, top Spurs scored. Shameless. Yeah, I expect nothing less from that channel, but there we go. Is what it is. But anyway, let me know if you support any of them clubs, whether you're down all of that just to win the trophy. I'm sorry. Nah. And people go, but that's because you've got an agenda. No, I haven't got an agenda at all. I want to win the fucking league. However, I ain't supporting them. Sorry, whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 year, ain't happening. Ain't happening, and I don't even consider them a rival. And people go, so why don't you care? Why don't you? Well, if you don't care who they are, why aren't you supporting them? I'm highlighting how fucking dumb you lot are. Yeah, because I understand that the fan base, yeah, well, back in the day, hate that lot, and that lot hate us. Now, fast forward all these years later, they were punching each other up outside the fucking ground the other day, outside White Hart Lane, literally beating each other up. And now it's a big love fest. Mainly online, because I'd imagine anyone with half a brain cell that is actually born and bred in that area would be saying, bollocks, I ain't supporting that lot. In fact, I'm going to text me a mate's old man in a minute, because he's been 51 years a season ticket old. Let's see if he's supporting Tottenham tonight, shall we? On that bombshell, have a wonderful evening. We're out. Adios.